Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar & Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng carrot cake. This is a spiced cake with bits of carrots and pineapples. May crunch from the cashew nuts with rich cream cheese frosting. Kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar & Pastry.
Sa isang bowl, whisk natin all together yung 6 large eggs, 1 cup ng sugar, and 2 teaspoons ng vanilla extract. Once almost dissolved ng ating sugar, let's add half cup ng pineapple juice and 1 1/3 cup ng canola oil. Whisk lang natin ng mabuti, then pwede na natin i-add yung ating 3 cups or 350 grams ng finely grated carrots and 1 cup of crushed pineapples. Haluin ng mabuti, then for our dry ingredients over this mixture, sift natin all together yung ating 3 1/4 cup ng all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons each ng baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. Add din tayo ng 1 teaspoon allspice and 1 teaspoon salt. Sift natin ng maigi to remove lumps, then haluin lang natin until wala ng visible flour on top. Lastly, add na natin yung half cup ng raisins and half cup ng chopped roasted cashews. Then divide natin yung mixture sa dalawang 8 inches na round pan lined with parchment paper yung ilalim. Then pwede na natin silang i-bake sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted at the center comes out clean. After baking, set aside muna natin sila to cool completely. Habang pinapalamig natin yung ating cakes, gawin naman natin yung ating cream cheese frosting. Sa isang bowl, beat natin together yung ating 2 bars na tig 250 grams ng cream cheese at 1 stick ng softened and salted butter. Once smooth and creamy, let's sift in 3/4 cups ng icing sugar and add 1 teaspoon ng vanilla for flavor. Beat natin ng mabuti until well combined, then set aside tayo ng konting portion. Kinulayan ko lang yan ng konting orange gel na food color. Then set aside muna natin pang decorate mamaya. Once completely cool na yung ating cake, ni-level off ko lang yung ibabaw. Then fill and ice na natin yung ating cake nung ating ginawang cream cheese frosting kanina. Smoothen lang natin ng konti around the sides and top. Then for decoration and added crunch, naglagay lang ako ng chopped roasted cashews sa palibot ng cake. And for the final deco, gamit yung ni-reserve nating frosting kanina, nagpipe lang ako ng mini carrots on top, and that's it! Enjoy your homemade carrot cake!